Hello everyone. The topic of my MOOC course is English Literature of the Romantic Period from 1798 to 1832. About the course, this course talks about one of the most significant periods of the English literature, that is the Romantic Age. The course teaches its students about the socio-economic and socio-cultural backgrounds, key features of the poetry, fiction, and also about different poets and authors of the Romantic period. The course ends with a short introduction to the Orientalism that marked the age's literature, and the course is being done under a University of Hyderabad. The duration of the course is 8 weeks. Phase 1, Week 1. In week 1, we were given an introduction about the Romantic Age, which was a response to the Augustan Age, and we were also told about the themes of the Romantic Age in brief, for we as we'll get to know about them in a more detailed manner in the later weeks. We were told about the School of Romantics and the foundation of the Romantic movement, and how the School of Romantics was set up or established, and what were the backgrounds on the foundation on which it was made. In week 2, we were told about we were given a list about the Romantic poets and how they play an important role in the Romantic age or in the English literature. Role of imagination, inspiration from nature, focus on individualism, discourse on inspiration was given, which was really interesting. For we all come to know how psychology affected the or poets in those times. That was end of phase one. Phase two, week three. In week three, there was an introduction and discussions on individualism, intuition, imagination, inspiration, idealism, concept of sublimity in the romantic works, which play a very important role in the romantic works which we were taught, and importance of five eyes of romanticism. Individualism, intuition, imagination, inspiration, and idealism form the five eyes of romanticism, which form the basis of the Romantic Age. Following which, we were given told about the concept of tranquility. In week 4, we were introduced to certain topics like School of Romantics, in Idols of School, Idols of the School of Romantics. School of Romantics was given a detailed discussion and deliberations, and how the idols of the school affected the writings of the poets. The first generation of the Romantic movement, importance and the works of first generation, second generation of the Romantic movement, importance and how and what were the differences between the two generations, and how uh, the approaches of the two uh, generations were different. In week 5, it was a comparative study between neoclassicism and romanticism. And then we came down to the writings and style of writings of the poets and authors during those times. The role of memory in the works, accomplishments of the Romantic age, and famous works of the Romantic age. End of phase 2. In phase 3, week 5, introduction to William Wordsworth, works of William Wordsworth, Lake poets, Coleridge, and their difference between Wordsworth and Coleridge. Week 7, we were taught about uh, introduction to William Blake, introduction to Robert Southey, introduction to Robert Burns, and what is Romanticism and why Romanticism, why it was given the name of Romanticism. This is what we were taught in week 7. In week 8, introduction to John Keats, P.B. Shelley, Lord Byron, the philosophy of Romantic age, and the end of the Romantic age. We were taught about in week 8. The course also included various extended exercises and quiz. Thank you.